Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. We continue to read from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 9. We are on chapter 22. We have been reading the lineage of Shantanu Maharaj, his children, Chitrangad and Vichitravirya, and then how Dhritarashtra, Pandu, and Vidur are born through Vyasadeva, and then going on how the Pandavas are born and coming to Parikshit. He's the son of Abhimanyu. So he's the grandson of Arjun. Okay, reading on. Tave me tanayastat
तवे मे तनयास्ताता
jana me jayapurvakaha
जन मे जयपूर्वकः
shruta seno bhimasena
श्रुतसेनो भीमसेना
ugrasenascha viryavan.
उग्रसेनश्च वीर्यवान्.
Translation by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. My dear King, your four sons, Janmajaya, Shrutasen, Bhimsen, and Ugrasen, are very powerful. Janmajaya is the eldest. So these are the sons of Parikshit Maharaj. Janmajaya, Shrutasen, Bhimsen, and Ugrasen. Janmajayastvam viditva
जन्मजय जन्मजय त्वां विदित्वां
Takshakan Nidhanam Gatam
तक्षकात् निधनं गतम्
Sarpanve Sarpa Yagagno
सर्पान् वै सर्पयाग अग्नौ
Sahoshyati Rushanvitaha.
सहोष्यतीरुषान्वितः.
Because of your death by the Takshak snake, your son Janmajaya will be very angry and will perform a sacrifice to kill all the snakes in the world. So Sukadev Goswami is saying now what's going to happen after Parikshit Maharaj dies by the Takshak. Kala Sheyam Purodhaya
कालशेयं पुरोधाय
Turam Turagame Dashat
तुरं तुरगमेघशाट्
Samantat Prithvim Sarvam
समन्तात् पृथ्वीं संभ्रवाम्
Jitva Yakshati Chadmarehe.
जित्वा यक्ष्यति च अक्ष्वरे.
After conquering throughout the world and after accepting Tura, the son of Kalasha, as his priest, Janmajaya will perform Ashwamedha Yagyas, for which he will be known as Turaga Medashat. So Sukadev Goswami is speaking about Janmajaya. What is he going to do after Parikshit Maharaj dies, after he leaves the world? First, he's going to have a sacrifice to kill all the snakes because he's very upset at Dakshak. So he did that. He did a sacrifice. All the snakes were being killed, and then finally, I forget who told him that, stop it. The snakes are also part of God's creation. And then anyway, then he performs Ashwamedh Yagyas. And what will be known as for that?
तुर्गमेघशाट् तुर्गमेघशाट्
Durgamedashat. Tasya putra shataniko
तस्य पुत्र शतानीको
yagya valkyatrayim pathan
यज्ञवल्क्यात्रयीं पठन्
अस्त्रज्ञानं क्रियाज्ञानं
अस्त्रज्ञानं क्रियाज्ञानं
शौनकात् परम् एष्यते.
शौनकात् परम् एष्यति.
The son of Janmajaya, known as Shatanik, will learn from Yajnavalkya the three Vedas and the art of performing ritualistic ceremonies. He will also learn the military art from Kripacharya and the transcendental science from the sage Shaunak. So, Shatanik is the grandson of Parikshit then, right? He's the son of Janmajaya, so he's the grandson of Parikshit.
So is it that, and this Shaunak Muni is the Shaunak Muni that we have read about, right?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Okay. And the Kripacharya is the Kripacharya ji what we have read
Acharya.
about. Yeah.
Yeah, of Mahabharata, yeah. Kripa and Kripi, they were found, right?
Yeah.
By Shantanu.
Yeah.
Sahasranikas Tatputras.
सहस्राणिकः तत्पुत्र
Tatascha Ashvamedajah.
ततश्च एवम् अश्वमेधश्च
Asimakrishnastasyapि
असीमकृष्णस्तस्यापि
Nemi Chakrastu Tatsutaha.
नेमिचक्रः तत्सुतः.
The son of Shatanik will be Sahasranik. The son of Shatanik will be Sahasranik, and from him will come the son named Ashvamedhaj. From Ashvamedhaj will come Asim Krishna, and his son will be Nemi Chakra. So this is coming from Parikshit Maharaj now. His sons, great grandsons, all coming from Janmajaya. Gaja Gaja Vye Rite Nadya
गजाहे ऋतये नद्या
Kaushambyam Sadhu Vatsyate
कौशाम्ब्यां साधु वत्स्यति.
Uktastatas Chitrarathas
उक्तस्ततश्चित्ररथस्
Asmachu Chiratha Sutaha.
तस्मात् शुचिरथः सुतः.
When the town of Hastinapur, New Delhi, is inundated by the river, Nemichakra will live in the place known as Kaushambi. His son will be celebrated as Chitrarath, and the son of Chitrarath will be Shuchirath. So, New Delhi will be inundated by water. Maybe that finished already. It would have been done at one time. And then Nemi Chakra's sons are also there here. Son and his son. Tasmacha Vrishtimamstasya
तस्माच्च वृष्टिमांस्तस्य
Shushenotha Mahipatihi
तूषेणोऽथ महीपतिः.
Sunithastasya Bhavitam
सुनीतस्तस्य भविता
Nrichakshur Yatsukhi Nalaha.
नुश्चक्षुर्यत् सुखी नलः.
From Shuchirath will come the son named Vrishtiman, and his son Sushen will be the emperor of the entire world. The son of Sushena will be Sunitha. His son will be Nrichakshu, and from Nrichakshu will come a son named Sukhinal. Parivlaha Sutastasman
परिपल्लवसुतस्तस्मात्
Medhavi शून्य आत्मजः
मेधावी शून्य आत्मजः
नृपञ्जयस्ततो दूर्वस्
निपञ्जयस्ततो दूर्वा
तिमिस्तस्मात् जनिष्यति.
तिमिस्तस्माज्जनिष्यति.
The son of Sukhinal will be Pariplava, and his son will be Sunaya. From Sunaya will come a son named Medhavi. From Medhavi, Nripanjay. From Nripanjay, Dhruva. And from Dhruva, Timi.
Dhruv.
Timir Bradarathastasmaj.
तिमेस् बृहद्रथः तस्मात्
Chatanika Sudasajaha.
शतानिकः सुदासजः
Shatanika Durdamanas.
शतानिका दुर्दमनः
Tasyapatyamahinaraha.
तस्य अपत्यं महीनरः.
From Timi will come Brahadra. From Brahadra, Sudas, and from Sudas, Shatanika. From Shatanika will come Durdamana, and from him will come a son named Mahinara. Dandapanir Nimistasya.
दण्डपाणिर्निमिस्तस्य
Shemako Bhavita Yataha.
क्षेमको भविता यतः
Brahma Shatrasya Vayonir.
ब्रह्मक्षत्रस्य वैयोने
Vamsho Devarshi Satkritaha.
वंशो देवर्षि सत्कृतः
Shemakam Prapya Rajanam.
क्षेमकं प्राप्य राजानं
Samstam Prapsyati Vaikalam.
संस्थं प्राप्स्यति वैकलौ.
Atha Magadha Rajano.
अतः मागधरा राजानो
Bhavino Ye Vedamite.
भाविनो ये वदामि ते.
The son of Mahinar will be Dandapani, and his son will be Nimi, from whom Kim Shemak will be born. I have now described to you the moon god's dynasty, which is the source of Brahmanas and Kshatriyas, and is worshipped by demigods and great saints. In this Kali Yuga, Shemak will be the last monarch. Now I shall describe to you the future of the Magad dynasty. Please listen. So, coming from Soma, right? The moon god. Sukadev Goswami has told now which kings have already been there before Parikshit, and then which kings are going to be there after Parikshit. And he's saying that Shemak is the last king now in the Som dynasty for in this Kali Yuga. And then he said that he had said earlier that in the next Satyug, Devapi will start again, the moon dynasty, right? So now he's saying, I'll describe to you the future of the Magad dynasty. Bhavita Sahadevasya
भविता सह देवस्य
Marjari Yachruta Shrutashravah
मार्जारीयच्छ्रुताश्रवः
Tato Yutayustasyapi
ततो युतायुस्तस्यापि
Niramitro Tatatsutaha
निरमित्रोस्ततत्सुतः
Sunakshatra Sunakshatra
सुनः क्षत्रः सुनक्षत्राद्
Brahatseno Karmajit
बृहत्सेनोऽथ कर्मजीत्
Tata Sutanjayad Vipra
तथा सुतञ्जयाद् विप्रः
शुचिस्तस्य भविष्यति
शुचिस्तस्य भविष्यति
क्षेमोऽथ सुव्रतस्तस्मात्
क्षेमोस्तसुव्रतस्तस्मात्
धर्मसूत्रसमस्ततः
धर्मसूत्रः समस्ततः
द्युमत्सेनोऽथ सुमतिः
द्युमत्सेनोऽथ सुमतिः
सुबलो जनिता ततः
सुबलो जनिता ततः
Sahadev, the son of Jarasan, will have a son named Marjari. From Marjari will come Shrutashrava. From Shrutashrava, Yutayu. And from Yutayu, Nirmitra. The son of Nirmitra will be Sunakshatra. From Sunakshatra will come Brahatsen. And from Brahatsen, Karmajit. The son of Karmajit will be Sutanjay. The son of Sutanjay will be Vipra, and his son will be Shuchi. The son of Shuchi will be Shema. The son of Shema will be Suvrat, and the son of Suvrat will be Dharmasutra. From Dharmasutra will come Sama. From Sama, Dyumatsen. From Dyumatsen, Sumati. And from Sumati, Subal. Sunita Satyajit Atha. Atha.
सुनीता सत्यजित् अथ
Vishwajit Yad Ripunjayaha.
विश्वजीत्यत्रिपुञ्जयः
Bharhadrathascha Bhupala.
प्राहद्रथाश्च भूपाला
Bhavya Sahasravatsaram.
भाव्यः सहस्रवत्सरम्
From Subal will come Sunitha. From Sunith, Satyajit. From Satyajit, Vishwajit. And from Vishwajit, Ripunjay. All of these personalities will belong to the dynasty of Brahadrath, which will rule the world for 1,000 years. This is the history of a monarchy that began with Jarasan and continues for 1,000 years as the above mentioned kings appear on the surface of the globe. Thus end the Bhaktivedanta purports of the 9th canto, 22nd chapter of the Srimad Bhagavatam entitled The Descendants of Ajamid. So then Jarasan's lineage, Sukadev Goswami said, and he said that they will rule for 1,000 years. Any comments, questions?
So this was still Bharat Maharaj's lineage, right?
Coming from Bharat Maharaj. Yes,
Yeah,
that's
right.
right.
This is the Bharat Maharaj.
Yeah,
Everything is coming from Bharat Maharaj up till here, up till 1,000 years. And then the last
yeah,
one was, as we read, that who will be the last Shemak. In the Kali Yuga, he
Shemak
will be the last king, Maharaj Shemak, right?
from the, yeah,
From the Som
Shemak.
dynasty.
Yeah,
And then
yeah,
they will be
Shemak.
called the Magad Vansh. And then he's called the Brahad Vamshi. So like different brothers had the different,
Yeah,
right? Okay,
that's right.
okay, perfect. Yeah.
That's right. Belong to the dynasty of Brahadrath. So this is
So that
coming
means
like from
Krishna will
Jarasandh
come
then.
now, right?
Huh?
That
Sorry?
means that we haven't read about Krishna yet, right?
Not
So
yet.
Krishna is still in the Som Vansh, right? So he's the son of the fourth of the Yayati,
Yeah,
the other son, right, of Maharaj Yayati.
yeah,
Because we haven't read about Krishna yet, right?
that's right. We are going to read
Oh,
now.
cool.
Yeah,
Oh, makes
now
sense.
we are going to read. Let's read the summary of chapter
Yeah.
23.
Yeah.
The dynasties of the sons of Yayati. In this 23rd chapter, the dynasty of Anu, Dhruyu, Turvasu, and Yadu, as well as the story of Jiamak, are described. Jiamak. The son of Yayati's fourth son, Anu, were Sabhanar, Chakshu, and Paraneshu. So now Yayati's dynasty we are hearing. We had heard about Puru,
Hmm.
right? Puru we had heard.
Hmm.
And
The
now we are
son of
going to
Yayati only, right? The Puru is the first son of Yayati Maharaj.
last. Puru was the youngest. Puru was the
Okay, then who
youngest.
was the eldest? Yadu.
Yadu, I think, was the eldest.
Because he
And
said that I
over
cannot
here,
give you my youth because um, God is going to come in my dynasty, and how can I give you my? And the youngest one gave the youth, right? So we
that's
heard
right.
and he was made the king
Yeah,
because
the
he
emperor.
gave. He was made the
Yeah,
emperor. Yes. Okay. So we heard about the Puru, and now we are
yeah.
hearing about the. Um,
Other sons. Other
okay.
sons.
Okay. Other sons. Okay. Perfect.
Hmm.
Okay.
The sons of Yayati's fourth son Anu were Sabhanar, Chakshu, and Paraneshu. Of these three, the sons and grandsons of Sabhanar were in succession Kalanar, Sranjay, Janmajay, Mahashal, and Mahamana. The sons of Mahamana were Ushinar and Titikshu. Ushinar had four sons, namely Shibi, Vara, Krimi, and Daksh. Shibi also had four sons, Vrishadharba, Sudhira, Madra, and Kekai. The son of Titikshu was Rushdrat, Rushadrat, who begot a son named Homa. From whom came Sutapa, and from Sutapa, Bali. In this way, the dynasty continued. Begotten by Dirga, Dirga, Dirga Atama, in the womb of the wife of Bali were Anga, Vanga, Kalinga, Soma, Pundra, and Odra, all of whom became kings. From Anga came Kalapan, whose dynasty included Divirat, Dharmarat, and Chitrarat, also called Romapad, one after another. Maharaj Dashrath gave in charity one of his daughters by the name Shanta to his friend Romapad because Romapad had no sons. Romapad accepted Shanta as his daughter, and the great sage Rishayashringa married her. By the mercy of Rishayashringa, Romapad had a son named Chaturanga. The son of Chaturanga was Prithulaksha, who had three sons, Bradrat, Brahadkarma, and Brahadbhanu. From Brahadrat came a son named Brahadmana, whose sons and grandsons in succession were Jayadrat, Vijay, Dhriti, Dhritavrat, Satkarma, and Adhirat. Adhirat accepted the son rejected by Kunti, namely Karna, and Karna's son was Vishasen. The son of Yayati's third son Dhruyu was Babru, whose son and grandsons were Setu, Arabd, Gandhar, Dharma, Dhrita, Durmada, and Pracheta. The son of Yayati's second son Turvasu was Vani, whose seminal dynasty included Bharga, Bhanuman, Tribhanu, Karandhama, and Marut. The childless Marut accepted Dushmanta, who belonged to the Puru dynasty, as his adopted son. Maharaj Dushmant was anxious to have his kingdom returned, and so he went back to the Puru Vamsha. Of the 4 sons of Yadu, Sahasrajit was the eldest. The son of Sahasrajit was named Shatajit. He had 3 sons, of whom one was Haihaya. The sons and grandsons in the dynasty of Haihaya were Dharma, Netra, Kunti, Sohanji, Mahishman, Bhadrakshena, Dhanakritavirya, Arjun, Jayadhvaj, Tal, Talajanga, and Vitihotra. The son of Vitihotra was Madhu, whose eldest son was Vrishni. Because of Yadu, Madhu, and Vrishni, their dynasties are known as Yadav, Madhav, and Vrishni. Another son of Yadu was Kroshta, and from him came Rijinavan, Swahit, Vishadgu, Chitrarat, Shashabindu, Prithushava, Dharma, Ushna, and Ruchak. Ruchak had 5 sons, of whom one was known as Jyamak. Jyamak was sonless, but by the mercy of the demigods, his childless wife gave birth to a son named Vidarbha. So we can see they are all like connected. Huh? They are coming from in the dynasty of the moon, and then there are so many. So then one king has 4 sons, suppose, and then these 4 sons have their own children and their children, and like that, how the dynasty continued. All coming from moon god.
Yeah. Wow.
So soon
So
coming up,
Krishna's name
Lord
still not there.
Krishna's
Krishna's name
appearance.
still
Not
not
yet.
there. Yeah, not yet.
Not yet. I think probably the next chapter.
Yeah, like maybe because we end on किंतु देव अनुग्रह से उनकी संतानहीन पत्नी को विदर्भ नामक पुत्र उत्पन्न हुआ. So maybe Vidarbha.
Yeah.
Vidarbha's lineage will go forward, and maybe because this is the second last chapter, so Krishna has to appear because next is
the next chapter, Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead.
Yeah.
Then
So
will
then
be Vidarbha had 3 sons, Kusha, Krarat, and Romapad. Then will be Vidarbha's.
Okay. So then that means
Lineage
he comes
coming.
in the Vidarbha. That means he comes in the Vidarbha.
Yeah.
Right, Vidarbhas. Yeah.
Yeah. All coming then from Yadu, then would be, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then we're gonna go in the details tomorrow. We go text by text.
Yeah, text.
Okay. We'll stop here.
Yeah.
Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Gaur Bhakta Vrinda ki jai, Hare Krishna.